Hey, good afternoon, guys. So with the radiator out, I thought I'd go ahead and change out the thermostat. And in that process, I snapped the clip on the plug for the temp sensor. And so, you know, one thing leads to another. And then the thermostat housing looked so bad that I thought, well, I might as well replace that too. And then since I'm replacing that, I thought, well, that PVS plug or whatever that vacuum switch plug is, it's seen better days too. So I'm getting a lot of new parts in here, and so the tally is going up on the you know, these things are money pits anyway, you guys know that. So anyway, I got those T-tops kind of cleaned up, and I wanted to show you guys how they look. Okay, so here they are. I've actually not polished them, but I did wash them. So, man, I'm getting crazy here. Well, so it will close almost all the way, but not quite. Keep working. Okay, I was able to get this one to close. I had to lift this panel up and spray a little tri-flow on the rod, but it's working. Good enough for government work. This old set of T-tops will never be back to excellent condition, but maybe someone would be able to get them back to good condition. That would take restoration, so a complete taking apart and working of every part of them. So they would need new key locks, new keys, of course, and yeah, just a whole lot of work. So I'm putting them on Facebook Marketplace, and I'll try to recoup some of the expense that I'm racking up with a radiator and such. Anyway, it's time to forget about the old and think about the new. And so this is the new OSC 951 replacement radiator. Looks pretty good. It's from Rock Auto, and it looks like it's going to do the trick. All the fins look good. I don't see any damage. And yeah, there we go. The 951 model. Now, maybe slight blemish, but I think it's going to be fine. We're going to go with it. All right, guys, so the leak checks on the radiator were all good. I thought I'd show you this old thermostat housing. The thing has seen better days, but I thought I'd just go ahead and get a new one. So I got a nice shiny one on there right now, and I got a new temp sensor and a new PVS switch. I put the temp sensor on. I haven't installed the PVS vacuum switch, and it, you know, that's all related to the smog. And I know a lot of guys just say delete all that crap, but I live close to Portland, and I don't know, at some point that they might not, you know, up in Portland you do have DEQ regulations, which are not enforced here in Salem where I live. But anyway, just in case. While I was leak checking the radiator, my shocks arrived. Bought these on Rock Auto. I think they were 35 bucks each, something like that. So I've used these before. Let me know in the comment section if you guys like these. I guess it's too late if you don't. So they're going on the car. I thought I'd give this Trans Am another bath. It's been a couple of weeks since I've owned it now. So I'm gonna wash it again. These are those road control 2 tires, and I promise I'm going to get to those wheels. I just need to do it. They're going to look a whole lot better once they're buffed out, sanded then buffed. So here's what I'm thinking on this touch-up paint. Obviously I need to do these T-tops. You can see where the paint is chipped. Also right around here on the hatch. Don't look at that thing. But you can see, and I've done that before. I did this area when I had the Z28. It came out pretty nice. So and then of course in the back we're going to do the shocks. We're going to do the rear differential service, and I need to adjust that idle. The idle's a little high on this car. So what else? I'm not worried about that dash right now. It's cracked right down the middle. This rear view mirror hook, it is way off center, and it's pretty shoddy. You can't see it really because of the reflection, but it's a pretty shoddy job, so that needs to be redone at some point. You know, little things.